Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to lock apps using secure folder on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now to do that, just open settings, then tap on security and privacy. From here, just tap on more security settings, then tap on secure folder. Now to create secure folder on your Samsung phone, just tap on continue. And from here, just create a password for your secure folder. You have the option of a PIN, a password, or a pattern, or you can use the fingerprint. For now, I will select PIN. Now just create a PIN for your secure folder, and it must consist of at least 4 digits. Then tap on continue. Select use anyway. Now just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. Then select OK. Select allow. Then tap on next. Now, as you can see, we have successfully created secure folder on our Samsung phone. Now to lock apps in the secure folder, just tap on the plus icon over here. And from this app list, just select the apps which you want to lock in the secure folder. Just like that. And once you select the apps which you want to lock using secure folder, just tap on add. And as you can see, we have successfully created a copy of the selected apps in the secure folder. Now, after you do that, then tap on the 3 dots over here and go to settings. Then tap on auto lock secure folder. And from here, just select each time I leave an app. And once you select this option, the secure folder on your Samsung phone will automatically lock the apps as you leave them. Now, after you do that, then go back. Now from here, just tap and hold on the app icon. Then select add to home screen. And select add. And once you do that, you will create a copy of the locked app on your home screen. Just like that. Now after doing that, you can delete the original app and you can use the copy which is locked using the secure folder. And this is how you can lock apps using secure folder on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.